Hi, this is an SEO analysis of the website YeoshinSK.com, and I'm on a homepage, and I won't be analyzing the website content because only the SEO analysis was requested. So here are the results. The SEO score is 53 out of 100. And you seem to have two domain names pointing to your website, which means it is probably your custom domain and your default Shopify domain. But because you haven't got a 301 redirect set up, Google can read it as two separate websites with a duplicate content, which can definitely affect your organic rank. So make sure to add 301 redirect and specify which website is the which should be the default one for Google to obviously to crawl. So you've got the defined Google snippet, which is a meta title, meta description. Meta title is a little bit long. I would say don't stick over 65 characters. You've got 76, which means it will be a little bit cut off in the search results. Meta description is within the character limit, which is great. You've got call to action, free shipping, which is fantastic, and you define your niche, so that's good. So you've got headings, you've got H1. For some reason there's a code, there's exposed code, so I definitely would look into that, because ideally you would want this kind of SEO friendly title instead of code, especially that H1 is something that Google pays attention to, and it should be assigned to the page title, and obviously use the H tags within the right order, which is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and 6. You skipped few on the home page. The content analysis could be a little bit stronger. Your most repeated words are price, regular, sale. Obviously, you want to rank for more specific keywords, so definitely work on the content. You've got a number of broken links. So according to this tool, you've got 101 broken links out of 2000 out of 2000 scanned, which can definitely affect your SEO, because if people find you from Google, find the error page or find the broken link, or even when they browse your website come across a broken link, can definitely affect your dwell time, affect your bounce rate and user experience. So it not only affects your SEO but also conversion rate, so make sure um, to update the links or remove them. On a good news page, your website is mobile friendly and it loads. I mean, it loads. I wouldn't say that it loads like super fast. It still loads within the normal limit. So normal limit is under 3 seconds, but there are areas to improve. Ideally, you want your website to load as fast as possible. Each second or each 10 millisecond can definitely affect conversion rate. So I would say aim to have at least, I mean, maximum 1/2 second. That is a really good way to improve your organic rank and jump ahead of your competitors who obviously don't work on the speed optimization. But apart from that, your SEO is in very good shape. So I'm really happy with that. If you would like to learn more about how your website performs in terms of user experience, conversion rate, and the design, I also offer full website critique, and the details are in an email, so you can request it. So you can request it through this link. Thank you so much. Bye bye.